In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering long-form writing in Microsoft Word, structure, focus, polished prose, and revisions. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you're working on a complex report, a thesis, or a novel, Microsoft Word has powerful tools that keep your writing organized, clean, and easy to revise. Let's start with structure. Open the navigation pane from the View tab and use Word's built-in heading styles for your sections. Apply Heading 1 for major parts, Heading 2 for subsections, and keep your paragraphs in the normal style. As soon as you do this, the navigation pane becomes a dynamic, clickable outline. You can jump between chapters instantly, and you can even drag headings up or down to reorganize your entire document without breaking formatting. This approach keeps you focused on content instead of manual styling. For very large projects, consider master documents with subdocuments. In Outline View, you can maintain a single master file that links to smaller chapter files. This keeps file sizes manageable, improves performance, and still gives you one place to generate a table of contents or indexes. It's a sensible way to segment big manuscripts while keeping a global view. Now let's polish your prose. Microsoft Editor, available on the Home or Review tab, goes beyond basic spelling and grammar. It flags clarity issues, wordiness, tone, and inclusive language, so you can adapt your voice to different audiences. Treat its suggestions as guidance, not rules. Accept what serves your intent. Next, use Read Aloud from the Review tab. Hearing your writing exposes awkward phrasing, run-ons, and missing words your eyes might skim past. When you need variety, right-click any word and open synonyms to explore alternatives and avoid repetition without leaving your flow. To minimize distractions, switch on Focus Mode from the View tab. Word hides the ribbons and leaves you with a clean page, making it easier to stay immersed in the draft. Keep an eye on word count in the status bar to track daily targets or meet submission limits without stopping to calculate totals. Finally, manage collaboration and revisions with confidence. Turn on track changes before you share, so every insertion and deletion is clearly visible. Use comments to ask questions, suggest alternatives, or explain decisions without touching the underlying text. If you and a collaborator end up with separate files, go to the Review tab and use Compare. Word will highlight the differences between versions, ensuring nothing gets lost between drafts. Put these tools together and you'll have a structured document, cleaner prose, fewer distractions, and a reliable revision trail. Open your current project and try them today. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.